Following widespread claims that the Lagos-Calabar coastal highway is responsible for flooding in parts of Lagos, the Minister of Works, David Umahi, mobilized members of the National Assembly, presidential aides, officials of the Federal Ministry of Environment, and the media on an on-the-spot assessment of the project. Dismissing the claims, the minister says the Lagos-Calabar coastal highway is designed to improve drainage and facilitate the evacuation of floodwaters from shoreline communities.
It's our claim that the coastal highway is actually, helping to prevent flooding within the residential corridor of the route. If you look at our front, you will see a lot of residential houses. If you look at where we are standing, this is an additional work done by High Tech. And this is the concept of the claim that was done at the Eco-Atlantic. This is the same, system that was used to reclaim Eco-Atlantic that, helped to stop, flooding of the VI.
Umahi attributes the persistent flooding largely to indiscriminate dumping of refuse, blockage of drainage channels and manholes, and the gross violations of environmental regulations by residents. He warns that structures obstructing drainage channels or violating the approved setbacks will be removed.
And also to know that some buildings must have to go to solve this problem of the Alpha Beach estate, and also to put the drainage and then put the service lane.
Stakeholders call for collective responsibility in addressing the challenge.
But we've seen as a parliament that the coastal highway is not in any way the cause of flooding in this part of Lagos. And going by history, flooding in Lagos is as old as the city itself, looking at the location of Lagos. So what should be done? We'll have to listen to the advice of environmental impact experts to see how this flooding can be controlled in collaboration with the Lagos State government. So
this is a very technical issue, and it's so easy to speak like a layman and say the cost of the flooding is coastal road. That's a layman's way of talking, and I can understand if anybody talks like that. But people with audience, people speaking up that have reputable platforms. So always consult experts when you come up and make broad assumptions.
The guarantee residents along the alignment that all environmental concerns raised during the inspection will continue to receive prompt attention through sustained stakeholder engagement and effective mitigation measures. Henrietta Momodu, EBS News.